dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. Hey. Rise up and don't falling down again. Rise up. Long time I broke the chains. I tried to fly a while so high, direction sky. I tried to fly a while so high, direction sky. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high.
A very good morning. Day 9.
It's very good morning. Very nice to see here. It's a very beautiful place, and we're having a greenish place. You never see in your life this kind of nature. So Sakali.
Day 10 of our trip to northeast. We're in west part of Sikkim, near to Peling, and we had a slight issue last evening with our vehicle, and we're heading to Darjeeling today. That's in West Bengal, and couple of days there, and from there we're going to be going to Calcutta. This is the property where we're staying, Club Mahindra. Baiguney.
Landing.
I don't think this is a helipad. It's got trees. I think this is for the stage. We are by the river. You're watching the entire series of the Northeast Fantasy. Do subscribe and hit the bell to get all the latest updates. Well, another day, another drive. Keep watching. Hope it's a good day today. Today we are at Baiguney, the west part of Sikkim. This is Club Mahindra Resort. That's our room on top.
My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. Rise up, my wind shaking away. Rise up, makes me feel big. 'Cause I like to fly a while so high, direction sky. 'Cause I like to fly a while so high, direction
This is the property, the Club Mahindra of Baiguney, west part of Sikkim. So Club Mahindra has two properties, one in Gangtok and the other one is Baiguney in West Sikkim. Beautiful place. It's by the river. Hello from Darjeeling. Beautiful city, beautiful weather. Welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet. Hope you're enjoying all my videos of my Northeast fantasy. Today is day 10 of our trip to eastern part of India, and we're exploring Darjeeling city today. So keep watching all my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Well, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube, that's Djmahaneet, and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. And of course, not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any comments, do write below on the comment section.